Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Minecraft on a Dell computer. First, let's ensure your Dell machine is ready. Minecraft requires at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for a smooth experience. You'll also need a stable internet connection for the initial download and updates. Once you've confirmed your system meets these basic requirements, we can move on to getting the game itself. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. Now that you have the launcher file, double-click it to begin the installation. The setup wizard will guide you through a few simple steps. You can usually accept the default settings for the installation path. Once the launcher is installed, open it. It will then download the core game files, which can be a few hundred megabytes to over 1 GB, depending on the version. This might take a little while, so grab a drink and relax. With the game files downloaded, it's time to launch Minecraft. Open the launcher and sign in with your Microsoft account. You'll see options for different game versions like Java or Bedrock. Choose the one you own or prefer. Then, simply hit the big play button. Minecraft will load and you'll be presented with the main menu. From there, you can create a new world, join a server, or explore existing saves. To ensure the best experience, you can tweak a few settings. In Minecraft's video options, try lowering render distance or graphics quality if you experience lag. For online play, a wired internet connection often provides more stability than Wi-Fi. Also, regularly update your Dell's graphics drivers. This can significantly improve performance and reduce glitches. Enjoy building, exploring, and surviving in your new Minecraft worlds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.